always run down there.
You both saw like them. Yeah, when you saw him at football.
I did. Why? No, I didn't talk to him. You know about that the first time I came? Yeah, I said hi to him.
He's recording it and then...
I went.
Oh, there's another one coming as well.
Hit the jackpot. Check out how he does it when he sees us here. Does it show up?
Hi guys.
Would you be a guy that takes his dick out? Quick flash.
Well, I could just stop and say, yo, I like your...
Now, you see when he went past you. Derailed now, he went towards his me and Daddy, somehow went into
Well, no, because I was going to say to you, you can go from Reading direct.
Oh.
You don't need to go to London, but...
Now we're doing a little
trip.
stopover.
Where are you from?
Toronto. Just west of Toronto.
Okay. That's a city I haven't been to.
It is not?
No.
Well you should come.
Right, I've been to most other cities, but not Toronto.
Oh, where have you been then?
Well, everywhere except Toronto.
So you've
and then I haven't been to Halifax, Nova Scotia.
I haven't even been to Halifax. So you've been to Montreal?
Yeah, yes.
Vancouver?
Yes,
Oh,
yes.
good for you. I haven't even made it to Vancouver. Next summer. Next summer.
You haven't been to Vancouver?
I've been to the American Rockies, the U.S. Rockies. I haven't seen my own.
Right. Very nice.
I had to start traveling more in my own country, actually.
Yeah.
I've done a lot more everywhere else, but not there.
Well, it's a long way to go across.
It sure is.
Yeah.
It sure is. So what took you to
the first time
Vancouver?
I ever did it, I went across on a...
It sure is.
Yeah.
It sure is. So what took you to
The first time I
Vancouver?
ever did it, I went across on a Greyhound. I flew over so many times. I thought I'm going to go overland one time.
Yes.
Took a Greyhound bus. It took 5 days.
From where?
From back off Vancouver to Quebec.
Oh, you went into Quebec.
Yeah.
So to Montreal.
Yeah, Montreal and Quebec. Yeah.
Montreal's a lovely city
Yes.
because it has that European flair, as does Quebec City.
Absolutely.
Where
right.
you don't have that in Toronto, so we like to
Quebec-
travel there.
Quebec is silly. It's more French than France's today.
It's just beautiful though.
Well, it's
Just
it's
beautiful.
weird.
It is, but
I'm
for
sure
us
they're
at least,
employed. I'm sure the council employ people to walk around with baguettes under their arms.
we
Fleur-de-lis flags. I mean, it's ridiculous.
I was in Montreal last fall,
That's
and
a cosmopolitan.
it is,
Yeah.
it is, and I had to remind.
Mind the